How to use Discord on phone for beginners. In this video, I will show you the basic of using the Discord app on your mobile. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. Using the app can be a bit overwhelming, but once you use it for like an hour or two, it will be just an easy to use app just like Facebook or YouTube. Before we go to the Discord, of course, make sure that the Discord app is downloaded on your device and make sure that it is updated on the latest version. Now let's open up the app. If you have opened the app for the first time, you need to create an account first. Just follow the simple steps in signing up, and once you're done, this is what you will see. If we look at the bottom of the screen, we will see different tabs available. We can see the main, the friends section, the search tab, notifications, and lastly, the profile. On the left here, you can see different icons. If you just started using Discord, this will be empty for you, except for the plus icon. These icons are the servers I am currently in, which is like a groups or channels that people gathered up on. If you do not have a server to join, let me show you how to create your first one. So click here on the green plus button. There will be an option to either create a server or join one. If we select the join server, we will be required to input a server link. So maybe your friend created one, or maybe you find a community in the internet. Get the link for their server and paste it in here to join. So let's go back and let us create a server. What you need to do is make up a name for your server and to have a picture for the server. This is optional. Then you can invite people in here or share a link and post it somewhere. But we can see here that the link will expire in just 7 days. So what we need to do is click here, and we can set it so that it won't expire ever. You can even set how many times the link can be used. And now, we have created our own server. If you click the top left corner, there will be an icon. If you click that, it will open up this section, which you can see there are text and voice channels, which can let you communicate with the member through chats or voice. So just click here on the voice channel and allow Discord to access your device microphone. Now you are on the voice channel. If someone joins here, you can talk with them. You can even share your screen or open your cam and they will see it. You can also create multiple channels. If there is a friend that you want to add, go here on the friends section and on the top corner, select the add friend icon. You can add them by using their username and tag. So you have to ask for it in order to add them. Every Discord username will have a name followed by a hashtag and a number in it. So you need to input it all in here to add someone. And that is basically all you need to know in order to use the Discord app on mobile. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys!